Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a review of a fantastic kitchen companion, the Escali Primo Digital Food Scale. We found this product online and added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes the Escali Primo a must-have for any kitchen. This digital food scale is designed for precise measuring, making it an essential tool for anyone who loves to cook or bake. Whether you're weighing ingredients for a new recipe or keeping an eye on portion sizes, this scale has got you covered. One of the standout features of the Escali Primo is its simple two-button operation. This means that getting accurate measurements is quick and efficient, perfect for those busy moments in the kitchen. The controls are sealed under a protective shield, which is a great touch. It helps guard against accidental spills, so you won't have to worry about cleaning up messes while you're trying to whip up something delicious. Another fantastic feature is the tare function. This allows you to reset the scale to 0 after placing a container on it, making it a breeze to weigh multiple items or subtract the weight of your bowl. Imagine measuring flour, sugar, and butter all in the same bowl without the hassle of doing mental math or using extra dishes. It's a real time saver. The Escali Primo has a capacity of 11 pounds, or 5,000 grams, and provides weight readings in increments of 0.05 ounces or 1 gram. This level of precision is particularly beneficial for bakers who require exact measurements for their creations. Plus, you can switch between different units, ounces, pounds and ounces, or grams, depending on your preference or recipe requirements. Another thoughtful feature of this scale is its automatic shutoff function. If left inactive for 4 minutes, it will turn off to help conserve battery life. This means you can rely on it to be ready when you need it, without worrying about constantly changing the batteries. The design of the Escali Primo is both practical and stylish. Measuring 8.5 by 6 inches and just 1.5 inches thick, it won't take up too much space on your countertop. Plus, it comes in a wide selection of fun and playful colors, allowing you to choose one that matches your kitchen decor or personal style. So, who is this digital food scale suitable for? Well, it's perfect for home cooks who enjoy trying out new recipes and need accurate measurements for their ingredients. If you're someone who's health conscious, it can also help with portion control, allowing you to keep track of what you're eating. Additionally, if you're a baking enthusiast, the precision offered by this scale will take your baking to the next level. Now let's talk about some practical use cases. If you're prepping a big family dinner, you can use the scale to accurately measure out ingredients for dishes like lasagna or a hearty stew. For those who love baking, this scale can assist in measuring out flour, sugar, and butter to create the perfect cake. And if you're on a diet or meal prepping, it can help you portion out servings of proteins or veggies, making it easier to stick to your goals. In conclusion, the Escali Primo Digital Food Scale is a versatile, user-friendly kitchen tool that combines functionality with an appealing design. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this scale will enhance your cooking and baking experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.